For many seniors, the computer is a vital link to the world, a way to connect with family, share memories, and manage daily life with ease. But in an instant, that peace is shattered by a single notification. An email arrives, appearing to be from a trusted security company. The message is designed to create immediate panic. It claims a large charge has already been processed and your device is now unprotected. Call immediately to cancel, it says. The scammers count on this fear to override your logic, pushing you to act before you can think. She grabs her phone and calls the number. She believes she's talking to a customer support agent who can help her fix the mistake. But here is the chilling reality that you need to know. There is no Norton charge, your bank account hasn't been touched. Yet, there is no expiring subscription. The entire premise of the email is a fabrication, a trap laid by criminals waiting for your call. The phone number in that email connects directly to a criminal operative whose only goal is to gain access to your computer and empty your bank account. This fake renewal email is in millions of inboxes right now, and it is specifically designed to terrify seniors into calling a number that takes everything. We are seeing an unprecedented surge in these types of refund and renewal scams. They are sophisticated, professional, and heartless. The scammers use artificial urgency, words like today and immediately, to bypass your natural skepticism. They want you in a state of panic. Once you call, they use social engineering, friendly or professional-sounding scripts, to convince you to download software that gives them full control. They'll tell you they need to remote in to process your refund. In reality, they are installing malware and looking for your saved passwords. How do you protect yourself? First, check the sender's email address. Real companies don't send billing notices from generic Gmail or Outlook accounts. Second, never use a phone number provided in a suspicious email. Always go to the company's official website and find their verified support number there. And remember, no legitimate company will ever ask you to pay for anything or return a refund using gift cards, Bitcoin, or wire transfers. If you find yourself on the phone with someone you suspect is a scammer, hang up immediately. Report these emails to the FTC and your provider. Knowledge is your best defense. Talk to your friends and family about this. Sharing this information is the single most effective way to stop them. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and never let a fake email take away your peace of mind. Together, we can put an end to these scams. It starts with a click. A mass email campaign is launched, flooding thousands of inboxes at once. Fake renewal notices for Norton, McAfee, and Geek Squad hit targets simultaneously, waiting for the first person to take the bait. These use professional layouts and stolen brand logos to build immediate, unearned trust. The hook is an inflated charge, often hundreds of dollars, creating instant alarm and a sense of urgency. Panic clouds judgment. The victim sees a number to call for a refund, unaware it leads to the scammers. The call connects. On the other end is a professional manipulator trained in the art of the steal. The agent is calm. They promise a full refund, but claim they need to verify the system's security first. To process the refund, the agent insists they must have remote access. This is the moment of total control. The victim follows the instructions, downloading the software. They believe they are being helped. Once the connection is established, the scammer can see everything: your files, your passwords, and your private world. Under the guise of confirming the refund, the agent directs the senior to log into their banking portal. As the victim logs in, the scammer captures every keystroke, waiting for the session to be authenticated. The agent keeps the senior engaged in conversation, using technical jargon to keep them distracted. While the senior is talking, the agent is acting. They quietly move funds to an outside account. The transfer is made in seconds. The victim sees nothing as the agent skillfully hides the windows. The agent tells the senior that the refund is pending and may take hours to appear. They thank the agent for their help, feeling a sense of relief that their money has been returned. The agent hangs up. The connection is severed. The thief vanishes, leaving no trace. Hours pass. The victim waits for a refund that will never come, giving scammers time to launder the funds. Finally, they check their account again. But instead of a refund, they find a devastating loss. The account is drained. Life savings, emergency funds, all gone in the time it took to have a conversation. This is the harsh reality of the tech support refund scam, a professional operation targeting our trust. The tactics are sophisticated, the actors are ruthless, and the consequences are life-altering. Education is the strongest defense. By understanding how they operate, we can protect our loved ones. Legitimate companies will never ask for remote access for a refund. Always verify through official channels. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and never let a stranger take control of your digital life. Imagine opening your inbox to find an urgent alert. Your Norton or McAfee subscription has just been renewed for $400. Your heart sinks. You didn't authorize this. This is exactly what scammers want. They use fear to drive you toward a mistake. Today, we are going to walk through the proper way to handle this situation. The most important rule: never click a link or call a phone number in that email. Instead, we take control. Open a fresh browser tab and manually type in the official URL like norton.com or mcafee.com. By entering the address yourself, you ensure you're on the legitimate site. Log into your account securely. Navigate to the subscriptions or billing area. Here, you will see the ground truth of your account status. In these scam cases, you'll find no record of the renewal they claimed. Everything is exactly as it should be. For absolute certainty, the next step is to check your bank or credit card statements directly. Use your bank's official mobile app or a secure browser session. Do not use any links from the suspicious email. You'll see that no such transaction has taken place. This confirms the email was a total fabrication. The correct response is simple: hit delete. Do not engage with the scammers or their fake support lines. By deleting the email, you cut off their attempt to manipulate you. Never call the number provided. If you still feel uneasy, verify your status through the antivirus software already running on your device. Open the program, look for My Account or Subscription, and you'll see your actual expiration date right there. But what if you've already shared information or clicked a link? You need to act fast to protect your data. Change your passwords immediately for your email and banking accounts. Use strong, unique combinations. Notify your bank of potential fraud. They can monitor your account or issue a new card if necessary. Finally, run a deep system scan using your legitimate software to ensure no malware was installed. Remember, these scammers rely on your reaction. By staying calm and verifying through official channels, you stay safe. Outsmart the scammers. Grab our free safety guide on our website. Protect others by sharing this video. Awareness is our best defense against fraud. Follow for more tips on staying safe in the digital world. See you next time. Stay safe, stay informed.